Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I have some incredible dupes. These dupes hit. They smack you in the face. They are so good. I cannot wait to share. I feel like I do a pretty good job with dupes and I'm very impressed with myself. So let's hop into it. What I have in my hand right here from Beauty Creations is $12. I actually like this more than the very expensive Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes Nature Palette. I don't do spot on dupes. I try to find things that are in realm that work well, perform well, and get essentially the same job done. So we can see there are a lot of overlaps here. What I like so much about the Beauty Creations Give Me Moss palette, aside from the price tag being much lower, is the color story is giving everything that I was hoping this one right here would give. Beauty Creations does some of the best mattes that I have been able to find. The way they blend is very patch-free, seamless. I'm in love. I'm just gonna do a couple of swatches for you guys so that you kind of look at that matte. Are you kidding me? Stop. So this is a matte from Mario. Also very nice and smooth. And these are not exact colors, but it's giving that nature, green, mossy type of a thing. And the quality in the Beauty Creations is great. So you can see right here, Beauty Creations is a little bit more punchy. Their metallic is a little bit more punchy as far as that mossy metallic green. I do like that you get a matte mossy green in the Give Me Moss palette. It's like this army, beautiful green that is good all over the lid, great in the crease. You can do basically the same thing for $12 versus 69 bucks. I love this. I love this one so much. I'm tripping out a little bit because I tested the new Haus Labs Atomic Shake Lip Lacquer. That is a mouthful, but legitimately, like it does not transfer, like nothing. Nothing! Like it is so wild. I filmed a short. I was removing my lip makeup so many times though that I am concerned that I have like a weird foundation thing going on, but the show must go on, so I am here filming anyway. Side note, if you didn't know, subscriptions are now available. Back to the makeup, I have another eyeshadow palette recommendation. This is the new Nudes from Beauty Creations, $12. Again, they have a bunch of different ones, but I thought that this was kind of giving, especially with these two, the same thing, and then a really beautiful metallic in here. So if you're looking at these higher priced palettes that literally are really nice, but are so expensive, like Danessa's is beautiful. Like, do we see how punchy that is? But if you want to spend $12 and get something that you can literally use every day, your liner, deepen the crease, you have great transition shades in here. Same type of a thing right here. We have transition shades, we have a liner, we have some metallics. These are comparable, they're not exact, but I did want to highlight an option. And I have one more thing to say that's not exact. And then we'll get into like the real wow dupes. A lot of you guys saw me test out the tan palette from Natasha Denona and everyone's like, I'm not buying that palette, and I don't blame you because it is so expensive and these are just nice neutrals. I love the color story, but if you're looking to do like beautiful, this is the shade Spritz, right? If you're looking for that punchy metallic, I just want to recommend these three from Beauty Creations are giving a very similar feel to the tan palette, and then just use some nudes that you have on hand, transition shades, what have you. I think a lot of us do have many colors that exist in this palette already in our collection, so I just want to give you the idea that you can go and find something like Bling Bling. This is a single that is $5, and just do the similar like really beautiful golden tan themed, like neutral themed look, similar to what I did on IG. So this is Natasha. And then we have Vaquero Crush, $5. So very like in realm. Maybe you guys are like, Tati, that's not an exact dupe. Hate it, but I felt like sharing because I was getting so many DMs. They're like, I can't buy this palette. Do you have any recommendations, Beauty Creations? I don't think we need to spend an arm and a leg on shadows when there are other options available. If you want to buy the nice palette, buy the nice palette. It's great, but you can build out a very similar look by going in the direction of Beauty Creations, or Makeup Revolution has some great options. So I'm just throwing that out. Let's get into the offensive dupes. This is where I start to wow you. We have $17 from Makeup Revolution. This is a body luminizer for face and body. And then we have the Body Lava from Fenty Beauty that is $59. Oh my God. This is one of those instances where I prefer the dupe. I love the dupe. I actually literally cannot get enough of this. It leaves the most beautiful scent on you. that is not aggressive. It's giving vanilla creamsicle, like, oh my gosh, you see how that immediately glosses up the skin? You could replace your perfume with this. It does not smell cheap. It smells very elevated, expensive. I would pair this with my favorite fragrance, Comme Sub Pacifique, Vanilla Apricot, because it would layer well. It's in that very sweet, but not sickeningly, like it's not disgusting kiddish, but it's delicious. Fenty kind of does the same thing. You're gonna get a lot of glimmer shimmer from it. The scent is like flower balm, like actual straight perfume. It's not soft and subtle. This is much louder in the fragrance department. So of course, you guys know me, I like something a little bit more subtle, but I actually prefer the way this makes the skin look better. It looks beautiful on the chest, the legs. It gives you that nice gleam, glow, and a little bit of shimmer. This is Vanilla Pink. They also have a bronze one that is amazing. Let's just layer up. Ooh, we're gonna amplify a tan with this one. You can amplify your tan in like 2.2. Like, oh my gosh. A few people were asking me, is this transfer resistant? It's not completely transfer resistant, but it's not so pigmented that you're wandering around like worried that you're bumping into things and like leaving a bunch of makeup everywhere. It does sink into the skin really beautifully. Look at that. Are you kidding me? I am so hydrated and glowy. I will be bathing in Makeup Revolution body products throughout the entire summer. Let me show you one more. This is such an offensive dupe. This is so spot on to the formula of Patrick Ta, like even ingredient wise, but of course, much less money, and in my opinion, smells better. I love the way they scented these. It's like this gorgeous vanilla, dreamy, but not like, it's not like a normal vanilla. It's so, you really just have to smell these. They smell so good. I don't want the overly floral thing, like throwing everything else off. So I appreciate the soft vanilla fragrance in all of these Revolution products. Now this one, you're gonna put a big brush in and you can go to town on your body, on your chest, on your legs. This is gonna give you more of a glossing versus a shimmer. The last product is for those of us that want to amp up the shimmer. This is for those of us that actually enjoy that kind of sweaty glow, but it's not sweaty, it's beautiful. It's just like you can hit the collarbones, the shoulders. It doesn't look too makeup-y. You can use this on the face as well. They have a bronze version and then they have one that is completely clear. This will get you so many compliments. Now, I used to go through the Patrick Ta version over and over and over. I would buy it again, and I would always get stopped. What's on your skin? I would be in Sephora and people are like, what's on your skin? And I would go and show them and like the price would make everybody freak out because it is so up there. Now we have an option that does the same thing, much more affordable, and I personally believe it smells a lot better. Number 7, I always want to call it Boots number 7, but that's the drugstore. Stop at Tati. Number 7 is becoming one of my favorite drugstore options. I love everything that I try. Even the highlighter. Where was I playing with this? I think it was on a live where I was just like, oh, this is like a little too blingy. I don't know if it's for me. It's like bringing like too much 2016. I have been reaching for this over and over and over. It's like either this or Givenchy. It's so pretty. Let me give some praise to a random product right here. This is in the shade Gold Silk. So stunning. I love their cream bronzer. I like their eyeshadows. And now I have tested out their tubing mascara because you guys know I love a good tubing mascara. The formula is amazing. It's $14.99. It is worth every penny. Really great thin wand that you can get on those lower lashes. It comes off easy, of course, that's something we love about tubing mascara, does not flake, does all of the right things, and has a very similar feel and a very similar wand to the Tube Job from Urban Decay, which is 25 bucks. You can save yourself 10 bucks by going with number 7. Also, when we're talking drugstore products, they're always on sale. Make sure you're shopping smart and get something where it's like buy one, get one half off. You're not really gonna experience that at Sephora, so I always have to point that out too. Hypochlorous acid is something that I use every single day on my face after I'm working out. I like to spray my chest if I'm not going to be hopping in the shower right away. That helps me to not have any of those rashes or breakouts, anything like that. I also spray it on my face at the end of the night, making sure that everything around my eyes is perfectly clean. I will even use hypochlorous acid to clean my cell phone. It's incredible to have on hand. Tower 28 has a great one, but very expensive. Theirs is really, really great. Do we see I keep like huge jugs of this stuff everywhere? This is the Daily Rescue Facial Spray. This is literally the exact same same thing for $12. If you've been looking for a good hypochlorous acid spray and you didn't want to spend top dollar, 12 bucks from Pacifica, this one is phenomenal. Of course, I have a lipstick dupe. I always have some kind of a lipstick dupe, and I usually dupe MAC, and Revlon is very, like, we are in the same realm right here. $25, $7. And again, like, you can find it even cheaper by using a sale, working a deal. I think I am gonna do short form content Madness Monday style. Like, I have to. I like have the itch. Anyway, we're gonna go on top of the House Labs and hope for the best. I just wanna see. Fastplay. Really pretty, kind of similar to what I was already wearing. And this is from Revlon, a little bit warmer, but very much in the same neighborhood. And when you're going $7 to $25, I think this is an incredible shade option. Really pretty color. I actually like this shade a little bit more because it has just a touch more of warmth. I'm gonna blot because I have another lip dupe. L'Oreal Color Reach Intense Matte. This is in the shade 105. I love this shade so much. It is stunning. The way I have been reaching for this formula over is crazy. I'm preferring it over a lot of my high end. This is Makeup by Mario, also a matte. Can you really tell? I don't think you can. This is in the shade Sierra. So tiny bit deeper, and actually I like when a nude is a little bit bright, because what I would typically do is go a little bit harder in the center of the mouth to make the mouth look more pouty, a little bit more full. This shade right here, so good. Bonus 108 is another shade that's a little more pink that I'm also obsessed with. Why does a nude lip on me just work so well? I feel like I can't do a dark lip at all. Like I don't feel myself, and my face is more balanced with like a really beautiful nude. This one is absolutely like top shelf must have. If you love a good nude, go and buy that one. You will not regret it. Anastasia came out with a micro stroke brow pen, and I am actually, for the first time in my life, really loving a felt tip brow pen. I finally figured out how to get it to work for me, and so now I've been trying felt tip pens, and a lot of them I do not like. The only other one at the drugstore that I would recommend is the Build-A-Brow. A little bit of a thicker tip. Anastasia is gonna be the most micro, but NYX came in and was like, all right, well, let's play. This is a new product from NYX. It has a tiny bit of a thicker tip, but not much. And the way that it lays the color down is very even. Like, I like the fine strokes that it makes. Like, you don't have to work really hard or press really hard. You just kind of feather it in and it wears really well. I'm loving this. This is the Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. For some reason, NYX brow products work so incredibly well for me. They are not to be overlooked. This is a great drugstore option. I love a good dupes video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did and you want more of them, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave me those comments. And other than that, you guys go and have a great day, whatever you are doing. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.